Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see about reservation and especially in sales order. Now the first thing is that why do we need reservation? Okay, so first of all, let's understand that you get a sales order where the customer need 100 quantities. Okay, and now if you are an organization, you might have a stock in thousands or maybe in lakhs or in crores. Okay, it all depends. So in a single day, you might be getting bulk orders. For example, let me consider that you only have 1,000. Okay, let's say you are a car manufacturer and you have 1,000 car, and every single day you manufacture around 300 to 400 cars, and the same gets booked as well. Okay, so that's why what will happen, there might be a scenario where you might be getting about 800 900 cars ordered in a single day, just assume. So in that case, if you will not have that much stock available with you, so you will not able to deliver all those cars to your customer. So that's why reservation helps, that it basically will block your inventory so that you will not able to use it for some other purpose. And now also the reservations, they are also of two types. Okay, and we'll see one by one each. First of all, what I will do, I will go to my sales order. I will go to my sales and marketing module, and I will create a sales order. I will click on new, and here I will select my that customer, that D365 customer. Okay, and I will click OK, and I will add my product here. So in an organization, there will be multiple transactions that will get created in every single second, minutes or hours. That's why reservation will help you. For example, you want this product, so we will go to our product, and here let me go to site number 1 and warehouse this new, and here let me go to my inventory, and let me go to transaction. Okay, here if you see currently the quantity is 1. Assume I want near about 5 quantities. And now when you will go to your inventory and you go to transaction, so you see this is on order, but when you will do your reservation, and let me do one thing, let me open the on hand inventory form as well. So we'll go to my inventory management. Where is that? Yeah, here we go. I will go to my on hand list, and I will apply my filter. Okay, and this is my site and this is my warehouse. So here if you see currently the on order status is 5, and you see here this is everything is blank here. So now what we'll do, we will simply go to our sales order. This is example of a manual reservation. We'll click on this reservation button here, and we'll specify how much we want to reserve. So you have the option here, and here you see reserved physical, reserved order, but when you will type here something like 5, okay, you see your reserved physical is 5. Now when you will refresh here, let me refresh here. Okay, so we have not yet done anything here. So what I will do, let me remove it from here. I will go back, I will go to my header section here, and inside my header I will go to my setup, and inside setup we have this reservation already. Now I will switch it to automatic, and let me save this. And here you can simply update, click, check this box, click on update reservation. And now when you refresh this here, refresh here, and let me go to lines, and we'll go to inventory, and here let me go to transaction. Now you see the status is reserved physical, and when you go to reservation from here, you see currently the same we are getting here. Okay, so there are two ways to do this kind of reservation. So here we have done reservation in a specific product. Now let me do one thing. Now let me delete this. I will remove this, and I will re-add the same. So let me refresh here. Let me click on. Okay, here you see everything is available here. So now what I will do, I will again add my line. I will add the same line, D365 product, and again let me say this time I am interested in 4 quantities. I will say 4. I will click on save. Okay, site and warehouse must be filled, so I'm going to pick one and new warehouse. So I will go to site, and I will go to warehouse. Let me cancel this and let me save this. Okay, and when I will refresh this, okay, so you see currently this particular is getting automatically reserved. So basically what I mean to say, when you go to your inventory and you go to your transaction, you see this is physically reserved. And let me go here, and even when you go to this form, here also you see it is reserved. The reason for that is because you have enabled this particular setup. Where it is, yeah, here we go. Change it to manual, and let's say update reservation. Click OK. Let me go to lines again. I will go to my transaction again. Okay, here this one is still reserved, but now let me remove this, and now when I will re-add this particular item, now this time this should not be automatically reserved. Let me say I'm interested in 3 quantities. Okay, site and warehouse again, 1 and new warehouse. Let me save this. Let me go above, and now when I will go to my reservation, you see currently this is not reserved because I have changed this setting. Now assume like whenever you want to create automatic reservation, so for that you can go to your accounts receivable, and here go to accounts receivable parameters, and here let me here you see this setup. Let me change it to automatic and save it. And now let me remove this product, and let me re-add this. And let's say I'm interested in 4 quantities. I will save it. Okay, again, site and warehouse. Let me save this. And now when I will go to inventory and when I will go to reservation, okay, let me go to transaction. Okay, let me create a new sales order altogether. I think it is not working for the older one. Here I will select my cust, D365 cust, and let me click OK. And let me go to header section. Okay, this time it will work. And here I will select my product. And I will do reservation of assume 4 quantities and let me save. And site and warehouse. I will save it. And here let me go to inventory and reservation. And now you will see 4 are reserved. Okay, so let's conclude what we did. So we have two options. We have option add a sales order, okay, where we can change the reservation, and the second one is we have this particular parameters in accounts in our AR module and inside setup accounts receivable parameter, and we change it to automatic. So when we will change it to automatic, so whenever you will do any transaction for any sales order, your inventory, those many quantities will get reserved. But whereas if you want to apply this setting in a specific particular sales order, so you can simply change the property of your sales order. So for that you will simply need to go to your header and simply change it to automatic. So I have showed you all the different possible permutation and combination that we have for our automatic and manual reservation. So let me change it to manual. Alright, so thanks for watching this video.